Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers Khan Ajilaga main headlines. Western Sumi bodies pra 48-hour ultimatum diabichte aji NSN Khango Vishepra Maf Mangishi. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Paton pra Khali government kam tekla depend na korikina nutun skills khan sikibole urge kurishi. Manipur Governor pra Mayang Lambam Rishikanta Singh laga alleged abduction or murder case to National Investigation Agency ke hand over kurdishi. Prime Minister Modi February 14 tarik din Assam visit kurbla se koikna Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma pra janadishi. Western Sumi Frontal Organizations, Western Sumi Hoho, WSH, Western Sumi Kukami Hoho, WSKH, or Western Sumi Youth Front, WSYF Bra Jakali, NSN GPRN Congo Vushe Group ke January 19 Tarik Din Village Chief Kieto Zimomi Vikuho Village Kuho Botolaga alleged abduction aro assault case 48-hour ultimatum dia opor NSCN K Group Raji Apology Maf Mangishi. Frontal Organization Pra Charta Point Ultimatum Dishi First Olato Western Sumi Kukami or Sumi Community Ke in general Maf Mangi Bole. Second Olato incident involved taka sob ki joldi surrender krikna arrest kurbonimite Janashi Junto Opor Group Pra Aji Janashi ki organizations pra demand kuranishna force discharge kurishi koishi action to party discipline or NSCN yeza bote likhina thakato chulaikina loa laga se koikina janadashi. Ultimatum te third point to group pra WSKH, WSYF or KGKK pra parties matute kotha koikina mediate kurishi kwa claim actum baseless hwa nimite statement to wapas loilo bole kwa opor NSCN pra statement misinterpret hwa opor regret janadikna statement to withdraw kurishe kote last demand junto thakishe ceasefire ground rules bhanga nimite ceasefire monitoring cell teleka bustite pra shift kurble kwa opor group pra ekbar demand to reconsider kuri dibole urge kurishe. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Paton pra warn kurishe ki naglante manubishi government kam opor depend kure aru sob manu nimite state man government kam nai koikina janadashi. Taipra Jawan Manu Khan ke government kam tekla depend na kurikina nutun skills sikikina culture ke respect kurikina sob hosa pra काम करा जुनटु pra ekta meaningful or stable future banabole pare to opor काम kurble janadeshe all chance bustite Lotus Students Union LSU laga 53rd General Conference day kotha korikina Paton pra youths kan class 10 pichte skill based काम khaniku na korikina ni buhi taka opor concern janadikna koishi ki manubishi illegal immigrants khan ke deport kurble koi hoilebi locals nijor hi dignity pra duk kam to kurble mon nai koikna janadeshe Paton pra nijor laga mother tongue or cultural identity bachaikna rakhibole opor janadikna ama baba khan ke takhan laga bacha local kotha or traditions sikha ensure kurble urge kurishe Paton Janashi ki southern states state official kam khan local kothate hi kure koishe Taiwan kurishe ki government employees kuniku kam na kurekina salaries lawyer say to khan against action nubo koikina police recruitments or dusra recruitments kan transparent hobo koikina janadeshe employment laga data share kurekina Paton Janashi ki Nagaland 19 lakh national population nimite 1.31 lakh government employee se koishe junto to neighboring states tepra Bishi ola se koikina students ke political connection te mon nadikina central services or competitive exams se mon lagabole aro practical skills kan sikibole janadeshe Paton Janashi ki age fale state industries te kile cholibole paranai koile local kam kura manu nathaka nimite ase koikina janadeshe Member of Parliament Dr. Angkom Cha Bimol Akoijam pra lead korikna Joint Action Committee JAC or MLS Tokcham Lokeshwar Singh or Khagujam Ranjit Singh pra Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla ke Mayang Lamban Rishikanta Singh ke allegedly abduct korikna morai dia case te thick action mangikina memorandum submit kurishe delegation ke victim laga family members pra company korikna incident opor serious concern janai dikna authorities ke fear or thorough investigation nimite urge kurishe incident opor mon na puncha janai dikna governor Bhalla pra victim laga family ke condolences janaishe or delegation ke inform kurishe ki case to National Investigation Agency NIA ke fear investigation nimite হ্যান্ড ওভার করে দিছে কয়েকনা জনাদেশে টাইবি স্টেট কৃষি কি ইনসিডেন্ট ইটু নিমিতে রেসপন্সিবল হওয়া খানকে ধরিব কারণে ইন্টেন্সিভ কম্বিং অপারেশন লঞ্চ করেছে কয়েছে অপারেশন তো স্টেট আর সেন্ট্রাল সিকিউরিটি ফোর্সেস একই লগতে মিলে কিনা আর্জেন্টলি লয় কিনা যাইছে কয়েকনা জনাদেশে Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma pra announce krise ki Prime Minister Modi ar Union Home Minister Amit Shah itu moina ar aha moina Assam visit korbla ase koikina jnadeshi Prime Minister Modi to February 14 ta ahibole schedule korikina ase kote Brahmaputra te thaka breach juntu pra Guwahati laga duita parts ar Indian Institute of Management IIM campus connect kore itu inaugurate korbla ase Union Home Minister Amit Shah to itu moina 30 tarik din Dibrugarhte Assam laga second ola Legislative Assembly Complex nimite Foundation Stone lay korikina public rally address korble ase Chief Minister Sarma Junashi ki taijun ahibole thaka pra Center Upper Assam te administrative infrastructure bhal korble opor mon diato sabole pai koikna state krishi International News Day Sindh Governor Kamran Tesori Praji Gul Plaza Karachi Pakistan te January 17 tarik din Ju olaikna 67 Jun murikna ityatak 77 Jun missing thaka opor judicial investigation demand korishi koikna local media pra report korishi press conference address korikna Tesori junashi ki manu kun itu karno responsible ase takan ki joldi identify korikna punish korble junadeshe jiu itu to dukan kote artificial pool bikri kori takishe tate pra shuru ha laga ase koishe kote report hisabte bacha khan lighter nohoile matchstick pra store bitorte khila time jiu lagai dia suspect korikna jaise kote investigators khan bi electrical error to rule out korikna ase